When you start to get into layering in Photoshop and you start to play with the layer blend modes, you'll start to see all kinds of creative results when you change the mode. And it gets really crazy when you get to something like difference or exclusion. Well, maybe something like difference serves a purpose other than a creative impact. If we were to move this layer, we'll start to see white where pixels are opposite, black on white, and black where pixels are similar, and gray something in between where there's a closer match but not quite. This is a great tool for alignment. If you want to make sure your pixel is bang on accurate, you can use the arrow keys on the keyboard until you see complete black or close to it. This is preferable over something like opacity and trying to align this way because you just see a bit of a blurry mess and you're not quite sure when you get to 100% because you don't know if it's sharp or not. It's more subjective, whereas difference is more concrete and mathematical. Most professionals use difference mode to align their images when doing large creative composites and merging images together.